Hey guys, hope you all have been well. The weather is rainy today and it actually inspired me to do some rainy day press on nails. So if you're interested, keep watching. To begin our design for the nail set, I chose this gray color for the clouds. I'm gonna go ahead and paint this on the thumb, the pointer finger, and the pinky. Those three will be the all gray nails. Here are the nails painted, and I think one coat looks pretty good. For the middle and the ring finger, I'm going to use this milky white polish from Model 1s, and I'm going to paint that over all of the nails. This will be the base color. I'm going to put down a first layer of milky white. The milky white will have a second coat since I wanted it to be more opaque than it currently is. So I'm just going to go ahead and put another coat on right quick. The second coat was perfect, so now I'm going to move into design time, and I am going to take this green color for the leaves. I'm going to be using this liner brush today to do my nail art. Taking that green on the brush, I'm going to do horizontal lines across this nail closer to the free edge. Not exactly at the edge, but closer to the free edge. I think the lines came out pretty well. So for the thumb, I'm going to add a thinner horizontal line right underneath that first line that I put there, leaving a small gap in between. Taking my liner brush with that green again, I'm going to start mapping out my leaf on the nail. If you guys saw my birthday nail video, you would have seen where I tried out the water droplet nail art. So I wanted to do it again, only this time I'm going to try it on the leaf this time. So I'm just mapping out my leaf and then I'm going to color it in green. Taking this darker emeraldy green color, I'm going to use this to start painting vines or vines on the nail, since I am going to add leaves to this, but I wanted to put the vines down in a darker color. So here's what we got so far. I think it's coming out pretty good, I might say. For the leaves, I wanted to add a bit more dimension to the nail, so I am going to take that dark green again and I'm going to randomly place it on the left side, I believe the left side of the leaf, and I'm going to color that in like so. gonna add a bit more detail to the nail by tracing the veins in black. So I'm just drawing some veins down the middle of the leaf with a few sticking out at the sides. I wanted to add more color to the nail, so I'm going to take this orange and I'm going to dab it on random spots left and right of the nail, like so, just to add a bit more color. For the leaves, I'm going to take that green color and start mapping out my leaves on the vines. I'm just pressing gently and then dragging, lightly lifting the brush up from the nail to give it a pointed look. As I'm recording this voiceover, I noticed they look like thorns, but okay. So here's what we have so far. Now for the most part, most of the design is done. It's just the leaves that we're going to add a bit more detail to, like putting a matte top coat down over the nail. Okay, now that our matte top coat is cured, it is time for the water droplets. So I'm going to take some builder gel and using my dotting tool, I am going to drop the builder gel, swirl it around a circle to get it as circular as we can, and then lift gently from the nail to give it that water drop effect. I'm going to cure it and top coat those little dots, and then we are done. So this is the finished look, and I must say it came out pretty good, guys. Let me know what you think of the design down in the comments below. I want to go outside and take some pictures, so I am going to put the nails on display. This is just me taking the nails off the stand and putting them on the display sheet, which I'm going to put back in the case and then take with me to take some photos. But I thought to just add this in as a bonus so that you can see me packing the nails. So here are the finished nails. Let me know in the comments below if you guys would wear these. Let me know if you like them, if you would try this design out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. It means a lot to me. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.